Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and finally I have got access to Robinhood Legend, and I wanna quickly show you how you can set it up quickly and get it going. It's pretty smooth and simple. I'm gonna make further videos about Robinhood Legend and how you can use it for different purposes, but for this video I want to just go over the basic setup that you need to get going, right? So once you are in the main Robinhood screen, you would see the Robinhood Legend here. If you don't see it yet, that means they have not activated it for you, but soon they will be. You are gonna get an email once the Robinhood Legend is activated for you, right? So once that is activated, you are gonna see this Robinhood Legend here, and this they have made as they have announced, right? This is a completely bottom up fresh platform. It is not built on top of the existing Robinhood. This is entirely built separately. That's why it basically opens up in a new tab. So once you click on this basically is a new Robinhood Legend. That's a separate platform. It is linked to your Robinhood account, but this is a completely separate than your current Robinhood, right? So once you are in here, this is how you see it, and this is very customizable. I'm gonna go over quickly how you can set it up in an easy way. Okay, so let's first go here. So these are the add widget. You can add different widgets here, and this is the account that you want to do. So let's say I have two accounts, a Roth IRA and individual. So this shows which account you're gonna trade or whatever trade you do. Here you can select your account. Here it shows the market hours, or once you are if you are doing in let's say off hours, right? It shows that it's off hours. Now here is the plus icon that shows you how you want to build your the screen, right? In this, so you have two options. The one is you can build it from scratch, the other is you can build it out of a template, right? So they have given different templates here. So let's say you wanna do I want to just I will come back to this. First let's go through the blank one, right? So on the blank one you can customize it the way you want, right? So let's say I will start with a watch list, so that becomes your watch list, right? So you can add or remove things here. The next that you can also customize it, right? You can resize it, as you can see, right? You can do all that thing. So you can actually resize it any way you want. If you want it smaller, you can just keep it smaller, you keep it here. So they have given a lot of flexibility with this. You can just keep it like this. You can add charts here. Maybe you chart you want much bigger, so you can have it in more expanded view here. And this is showing a live chart. And let's say if you wanna for a day trading scenario, right? As you see, the chart is almost live. And if let's say you wanna place a trade here, right, you can directly do place a trade directly from here. The next widget is the orders. So you can add your recent orders here. It will show all the orders here. You can add let's say positions. So this is gonna show your current positions here. Right now I'm in the Roth IRA, so it's showing my Roth IRA positions here. Also you can have your account summary here, and this is the important one for my channel at least. So I'm gonna have a dedicated video about this options chain. So a good thing about is let's say you update here to NVIDIA, right? You chart and both options chain are updated simultaneously, so you can actually see where the stock is. You can check the 1 year growth. You can add the indicators. Let's say you add a Bollinger Band here, and then you see what's the Bollinger Band. So you can do all the things in the same view. You see the Bollinger Band value on the same side by side. You see all the different expiration. You can see what's the volume if you wanna just let's say you expand it little bit here, right? So it shows you all the volume, bid, ask, strike price. So as you can see, right, so this is like 135 strike for 15 November has the highest volume, right? So you can clearly see from a single view. Again, as I said, I'm gonna make a separate dedicated video about how you can customize this options view in a different way, or how you can set it up for options trading, right? So guys, if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for this, because I'm gonna make a lot of videos around this new platform with respect to options. So if you are interested in options or even in general stock trading, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, moving on to the other ones, right? So these are the main things they have provided. Now next thing is, as I was saying, if you do not wanna have this one, you can always have start from a template. So they have different templates here. Let's say for stock trading, right? So this is already pre-built for the stock trading. All the widgets are already added. You can see everything here. So the account wise, if you do not want to see these things, or you want to hide, you can always hide things from here. And these are all opens in a different tabs. So you can have a tab for stock trading, you can have another one for options trading, right? So you can have multiple tabs here, and you can easily switch around between them, and they don't have any, if you change something here, it's not gonna impact here. So this is a quick view, guys. This is a pretty neat platform, and this is gonna help you a lot to do quick analysis. For example, if you want to add certain indicators, these are all the indicators, you can add it quickly. A lot of platform actually charges you a subscription fee, right? But Robinhood, as long as you have the Robinhood, this is all free for you. So this is a very pretty handy tool for your analysis. I'm not sure how much beneficial it would be for if you are really an active trader, but definitely for usual trader or option trader, this is gonna help a lot to do analysis all within one platform. So that was it, guys, for this video. I just wanted to give a quick overview of the Robinhood Legend platform. If you have not received your email so far, you're gonna definitely receive it soon, and do make use of this, guys. I'm gonna make separate videos for different settings and customizations that you can do, and I'll have dedicated one for the options. So definitely subscribe, guys, if you have not. To in my next video, guys. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.